Okay, so now we're going to write a reflection rule. So trapezoid 2 is a reflection of another trapezoid across one of the given lines. So how can I describe trapezoid 2 by using a reflection rule? Well, to reflect means it has to go over. So hopefully we're looking at it. We're looking at 2. And the reflection of something over some line of some trapezoid has to be equal to trapezoid 2. So if I'm looking at this, well, if I were to reflect 1 over, it would end up looking something like this, right? If I reflected that over this x-axis. So I know that that's not going to work. So what if I did this one? 3 over that. It looks like it's going to line up and be right there. So reflection over the y-axis of 3 has to be equal to 2. And so that's how I would write my rule. In general format, remember it's always Rm. What you're reflecting is equal to the, so this would be the pre-image, is equal to our image.